Hello everybody, I'm Gleb and this is 5G course on IoT Understanding channel. For today we're gonna talk about 5G architecture. But before going deep into that topic, let's think about what was wrong with 4G, with 3G and 2G core networks. So first of all, in previous generations, every network element was considered as a dedicated hardware, as a dedicated rack or server. So it was pretty hard to scale this network, to have a flexibility. And apart from this, all previous generations networks has so many interworking scenarios, such as handovers with previous generations, reselection, redirection, circuit switch fallback in this way, yeah, CR VCC, and interworking with Wi-Fi, yeah. And another problem actually is not defined, not good interworking between 4G, between 3G and Wi-Fi networks or non-3GPP networks with satellite, for example, or with another standards. And it was not a problem actually, but because previous generations and especially 4G network, core network was designed for packet switch data from smartphones mainly. But in 5G we have to support not only traffic from smartphones, from tablets, we have to support traffic from different tiny little things, from Internet of Things, from cars, ambulance, robots, and different type of traffic. And so we need to have more flexible, more separate in terms of control plane and user plane network. And this 5G network with service-based architecture, with pure and true control plane user plane separation, helps us to overcome all of these limitations of previous generations. Yeah. So basically, I've got to say about separation in 5G core network. We have dedicated function as authentication and mobility management functions. This is control plane, and control plane for service gateway and PDN gateway. So really the whole control plane of service gateway and PDN gateway was turned into this session management function, and the whole user plane of PDN gateway and service gateway in previous generation, yeah, was turned into user plane function, UPF. Apart from this real true separation, in 5G we have different functions, some new functions as network slice selection functions, repository functions, authentication functions, application functions. If we want to deploy our own server, we want to connect our own services, yeah, or we can connect via network exposure functions to external application servers from some providers, streaming providers from Netflix, let's say, yeah. So basically all of these functions and their descriptions you can find in this specification. This is not a rocket science, yeah. But the main point of this video the 5G network use network function virtualization, and it helps to have a real flexibility, a real control plane, user plane separation. So was my short lesson about 5G core network. If you like it and enjoyed it, you can like, subscribe, and comment any questions in the comments below. So stand by with Understanding IT channel. Goodbye.